We are here at Printing United in Las Vegas with our Neolt Factory XY cutter online with Canon Colorado. We developed this system together with Canon in Europe, and now we are ready to share and present in the market in the US. We can start to explain you the machine from the back of the part. So we have here the feeding system for jumbo roll. That means that we can put here a 500 kilograms roll feeding automatically into the Colorado thanks to this analogic dancer that detects the speed of the Colorado, the printer, and is able to give faster media or slower the media. So it's a fully automatic process. Then here we have the UV gel Canon printer, and in this part here we have the online system. This means that the Canon Colorado is automatically online with the XY cutter. The cutter detects when need to cut the media and cut both in vertically and in horizontally, also making one automatic alignment. It's our patent. And here we have the stacker with motorized roll and air blade that put all the media stuck to the table. So in this case, you can see here, it's doing all the process automatically. The machine is fully automated and no one. I want to show something more. We have other two products on our booth. We have a pneumatic laminator named Shield. Also, this one is fully made in Italy and is pneumatic, as means that there is a compressor already included in the machine. The machine is plug and play, so you don't need to do anything for the installation. It's already like that. We ship from Italy, as you see that machine. Silicone roll over there with the heated up to 50 degrees. And for moving the roll up and down, you just do simply like this, thanks to the pneumatic system. This means that the roll have every time the same pressure for a better lamination on roll-to-roll media and also flatbed media like panels or foam board, forex, and you can increase or decrease the pressure of the media. So that's our laminator. Here we have our electro power trim. It's a simple automatic cutter, so you can put your media here, press this, you can cut it. So it's really good for customers that have small production, for cutting banners, vinyl, and paper. You can do with this kind of machines. And we manufacture this machine since 30 years. This one is our Sword Vertical Cutter. It's designed and made for cutting forex, foam board, and also Dibond and plexiglass. In this machine, we have included 3 different knives. The first one is for cutting foam board and cardboard up to 30 millimeter. The second one is for cutting forex up to 10. And the third one is a spindle milling router for cut plexiglass and Dibond up to 4 or 5 millimeter. So with this machine, you can cut all the rigid media for the finishing mark. We have a laser here that gives you exactly where the machine will cut, okay? Just using the pedal, the machine can cut the media. The cut is really smooth and the precision of the cut is perfect. Also, if the media is already printed or with vinyl on it. And this is really unique because the saw blade cannot do that. All Neolt portfolio products shown here in Printing United will be available by Cutworx, that is our distributor in the US. I really want to thank you everyone to visit our booth here in Printing United in Las Vegas, and see you next year.